Hey, this is Sonny from Jax. We are doing some Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening. This is Juan, my motorcycle friend. We're going to open some Generation 4s. This is almost a full box of Generation 4s. We're going to go ahead and map it out a little bit, see how we do. This came out about 3.5 years ago or so. So we're going to see what's left in it because it's been sitting on the shelf for a little while. All right, here we go. All right, you're going to do the right side, I'm going to do the left side. So right side, first pack.
All right. See what we got here. We have an Underworld Egg Clutch. We have a Poseidon Wave, Future Glow, Damage Vaccine Max. Star Changer will be our rare to start off. Spearfish Soldier, Drill Barnacle, Aquajet, and Master of the Flaming Dragon Swords.
Not too much there.
Off to another great start.
All right, first pack on the left side is mine. All right, and we got this Crash Bug Road, Crash Bug X, Mass Change.
Still rolling.
Oh, look, I got
ultra
rare. Piercing
Moray.
Is it ultra?
It is an ultra.
Oh, ultra rare. Okay.
So that's a start.
All right, it's better. There's a base rare is Seal Lancer, and then we got some commons behind it. YuGiOh Game and Phantom Magician and Go. And then we got a
Tria
uniform mono creature.
Clutch.
Oh, so this pack, this is the second one on the left. Is actually
Start with an ultra rare.
The Piercing Moray is 14 cents.
14 cents.
14 cents.
Ooh, that's hard to get. All right.
That was tough.
Second one over there on the right side.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
There is an ultimate rare of this, and it stands at 43 cents.
So we have another Poseidon Wave. We have a Pokey Draco. We have a legendary Wind-Up Key. Here's the Wind-Up. We have Lavavo Magna Canier. And we have a Painful Return for our rare. Wind-Up Soldier. We have an Explosive Urchin. YuGiOh. And Fish and Kicks, featuring the 7-colored fish.
Okay. All right, I'm going to go with the third pack on the left side today. And we'll see if my man behind the scenes there can read better than me. All right, my man. Let's see what we got.
Elemental Hero Flash. Wind-Up Dog. Crash Bug X.
Ooh,
secret
rare. Time.
Orient Dragon.
Secret time, Orient Dragon.
One of my favorite secrets.
What's that worth?
Curse of the Circle.
All right.
Tyrant's Tummy Ache.
All right.
Master of the Flaming Dragon Swords.
So your side's where it's been at.
Asleep at the Switch. Crash Bug Y.
All right, we actually have a secret.
First
secret we
I'm betting 28 cents.
You said it's 28 cents?
I'm betting that.
No, hopefully not.
A secret cur, that's 28 cents. First dead.
It's 36 cents, my bad.
Oh, yeah.
It's the secret, though.
But I'll buy it.
It's the secret.
We have a Skull Kraken. We have a Crash Bug Road. Crash Bug X. Mass Change. A United Front. Okay, I got the bad side. Overwind. Creaking Goblin. Phantom Magician. And a Wind-Up Soldier.
All right, here we go. We're going to do another right side while I go get something to drink, but here you go.
All right.
Be number 5 on the right.
Keep this going here.
Hey, the mass changes are 92 cents.
Oh. Poseidon's Wave, or Poseidon Wave. Future Glow. We have a Damage Vaccine Max. And we have a Masked Hero Vapor for a super rare. So we're definitely seeing a little more hollows than we were in the last box, so that's a start. We have a Masked Hero Goka. What the heck it is. Crash Bug Y. Double or Nothing. Gusto Kodor and Explosive Urchin. So we did pull a super rare. Do you know what that's worth?
It is $3.99.
Wow, $3.99 super rare.
Well, that's better than nothing.
Yeah.
It's better than that,
that secret rare that we pulled, which is sad.
All right. All right, let's see what we got here. Mr. Dolan, you're going to help us read this time. Call me out. Here it goes.
Damage, Vaccine, Max, Fly Fang, Gravel Storm.
Ooh.
Oh, another
Time
super rare.
All right, Time Escape. There's a base.
Wind Up Magician,
So we're seeing some hollows.
Double or Nothing, Gusto Kodor, Explosive Urchin, Fish and Kicks.
Yeah, at least we got a little more shiny to it.
18 cents.
18 cents.
So far, we're sporting that $3.99 so far. All right, so we have Crashbug Z. We have Poseidon's Wave. Flyfang. Merging World Flame. Reconnaissance Device for our rare. Pass Image. Crack King. Gem Elephant. And Aquajet.
Nothing yet, huh?
Nada.
I'll go back to the left side.
This side's had the good stuff.
Well, that means we're not getting a secret on my side, though. So the secret's going to be your side. All right, let's see what we got here.
Perpetuous Puppeter. Achacha Archer. Utopian Aura. Wind Up Dog. Big Jaws.
Big Jaws.
Big Jaws.
Explosive Urchin. YuGiOh. Fish and Kicks.
That's just...
Drill Barnacle.
10 cents.
Woo!
Whew, we're working on 10 cents.
See if we can see that ghost
Go
rare.
back to the right side.
Let's get that ghost rare Leviathan Dragon.
Heck yeah.
So we have a legendary wind-up key, Lavavo Magna Kennier, Milia the Temporal Magician, Underworld Egg Clutch, and Fish and Swaps. So just these fish cards, I tell you. Goblinberg, card's still useful. We have a Tyrant's Tumich, Master of the Flaming Dragon Swords, and Asleep at the Switch.
All right, no
Full
big
10
snowy
cents
pots there. All right, we're going to go back to the left side. See how much we're going to get on the left side.
The Goblinbergs are $1.
Wow, Column's $1.
Dollar common.
All right, here we go.
Perpetuous Puppeter. Underworld Egg Clutch. Skull Kraken.
Oh,
another secret rare.
Secret
Lost
rare.
Blue Breaker.
Lost Blue Breaker, a secret. What we got there? What you think it's
What do
going
you
to
think
be?
that's going to be?
Let's guess before we look it
about
up.
$1?
What you think it's going to be? $1?
Dollar.
50 cents.
$2. Because it's blue.
Yeah, that means a lot. in
$2
Yu-Gi-Oh!
because
It only
it's
means
blue.
that if it's blue eyes.
I guess half $1, it's 34 cents.
Oh, yeah. So
I
these secrets
took
have
a
been
hit.
really good.
Sky Star Ray. Go Golem. Treaty of a Uniform.
All right.
Wind Up Soldier. Vylon.
So 2 secrets on the left side.
2 secrets unless that's crazy.
I mean, a
man.
whole total of 70 cents for both secret rares.
Don't make
but-
me feel so good, bro.
The match changes and the
Doesn't feel so
Goblinberg
good.
make up for it. They're both dollar
They
cards.
do, they're dollars.
Man.
Yeah.
All right, we have a Crashbug Z, Thunder Short, Sambel the Summoner, Regurgin Whirl Flame, Ghost Ship. Never actually seen that before. Fishing Kicks, Spearfish Soldier, Aqua Jet, and another Master of the Flaming Dragon Swords.
Back to 10 cents.
Yep.
All right, we're going back to the left side now. 2 secrets on the left
That's
side.
been the side.
Well, there shouldn't be no more secrets in this box. Have we pulled any ultimates? Ultras?
We did pull one Ultra.
Ultra. So it should be maybe one more
Maybe
Ultra.
one more Ultra.
And maybe one Ultimate if we lucky.
And maybe a Ghost Rare,
Maybe a super.
All right. There we goes.
Well, this has been the side, so.
Elemental Hero Flash. Wind Up Dog. Crashbug X.
There.
Super rare.
Blue Blooded Oni.
That should be at least
That's
50
like
cents.
a whole, probably 10.
Wind
rare.
Up Snail. Tyrant's Tummy Ache. Spearfish Soldier. Drill Barnacle. Aquajet.
So yeah, you've had most of the hollows on that side.
I don't know.
That one.
Alright. This side will have the Ghost Rare though, you
Our
are.
Oni is 18 cents.
Perpetuous Puppeteer. Some kind of Archer, we're just going with Archer on that. Utopian Aura. Wind Up Dog. Air Orca. That's our rare. Wind Up Soldier. Vion Flameit. Drill Barnacle. And Overwind.
We're still getting a 10-cent pack. Holy cow.
Oh, where I
All right,
think we'll get
left
another
side.
hollow on your side.
I don't know how. We only pulled 3.
And 2 secrets, though. Out of a box that usually only guarantees 1.
The old boxes here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go.
Just been really bad.
Burgundy World Flame, Fly Fang, Crash Bug Road, Crash Bug X, O Fish,
So many fish cards.
Gusto Corridor, Explosive Urchin, YuGiOh, Phantom Magician.
All right, still 10 cents a pack. All right, we're going back to the right side. Maybe we'll pull something.
Maybe. Alright, we have a Sambel the Summoner. We have a Crash Bug Road. We have a Lava Magna Cannier. We have a Utopian Aura. Here we go. Oh, fish. Spearfish Soldiers is making me want to fish. Aquajet. Master of the Flame Dragon Swords. And Crash Bug Y.
10 cents again. Ooh, I don't know a lot of people play $3.99 for the little packs, man. Shit. I used to sell them all the time, though.
Depends if the decks were hot at the time. Your windups did well for a while, so.
All right. Here goes.
Mass Change, Thunder Short, Achacha Archer, Burgundy World Flame, Wind Up Magician, Go 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 Golem, Asleep at the Switch, Gusto Condor, Double or Nothing.
Man, just a base rare, nothing else.
Or
in
nothing
it.
in this box. Alright, last pack on the right side. Let's hope for something here. Hard to open again. Could be good. Could be good. We have a Unigama combo. It's actually the first one of those I've seen. It might be a short print. Elemental Hero Flash. Skull Kraken. Poker Draco. Wind Up Snow. Rare. The Great Emperor Penguin. Cracklin. Gem Elephant. And last card is Past Image.
All right, we have one more pack left to hopefully get.
on that side.
Got a
Oh,
whole,
two
set of,
packs on this side.
got a whole set of original Mass Changes.
Ooh.
This is true. Original first eds.
$2 each.
And they've been better than all of our hollows have been.
All right, here we go.
Minus that one super rare.
Crash Bug Z, Thunder Short, Sambel the Summoner.
Oh!
Elemental Hero Nova Master.
I'll buy that.
That's an ultimate.
Stop touching my
Is it ultimate?
No, I want that. I have the
Is
set.
it ultimate?
It is
It
ultimate.
is ultimate.
Oh, how much do you think it's worth?
I'm gonna say 5.
$5.
So we're going with a whole
I'm
$5
gonna say
here.
3.
Man, $8. All right,
You're really
great
desperate to make money off of this
hope.
argument.
Great hope. Great hope. $8.
It's going up.
What's the magic number?
What's the number?
What's the number?
50
Elemental Hero Nova Master Ultimate.
Ultimate rare first ed.
Nova. Hey, we're waiting for that. The rest of it's going to be
Jaws Man,
Jaws Man.
Overwind, Treaty of Nomenclature, Goblin Bird.
Goblin
That's
Bird's $1.
All right.
Cracklin,
All right.
So, ultimate rare.
Man, look, I pulled 2 secrets.
and it is 405.
405.
$4.
Good job on that
I got
guess.
dibs on that one.
Good job on the
You
guess.
have that one.
Look at I pulled a secret.
Two secrets and ultimate.
Maybe
It's all been that side.
Maybe it's
Great.
because
I'll
I'm
let you
reading
have
them.
the last pack. Go ahead and open the last pack on that side.
Maybe it's because I'm reading
Now
them.
this makes it a ghost
You're
rare, and
lucky.
then you got like the perfect box.
I want to top probably
$4.
maybe more. Just check it.
You say just more, just check it. God, another one of these kind of packs again.
Don't bite it this time.
This is on the left side, man. You're killing me. That's not easy to open.
There we go.
I've been open like.
I know, I was like, my bad. Armor Combo, Crash Bug Z, Utopian Aura, and a super rare to end it.
Oh, let's see my
Submersible
side.
Carrier Arrow Shark. That's
was
probably
super
about
rare.
5 cents.
That was good at the time.
Was it?
Golly, man, everything on the left
I think
side.
EA had that.
It was all on the left side.
2 super.
Big Jaws.
2
Ultimate
super
Rare,
and
an Ultra, 2 Secrets, Drill Barnacle.
left side.
They need to give me some luck here. Goblin Bird's not $1. And yeah, we're not going
Well,
there.
at least you opened a secret.
What's the name of that? super.
It is Submersion Carrier Arrow Shark.
Submersion.
All right, again, this is Sonny from Jack's with my motorcycle buddy. We're all
Whatever his name is. We haven't
Juan.
decided yet. Or Hellkaiser, we haven't decided yet.
Juan, the motorcycle guy. We opened up Generation 4s again. And we, my side had 2
Everything.
secrets, an ultimate.
Let's just round it up. Everything.
Aura,
And another
2
50 cents.
supers.
50
But
cents.
man, the right side sucked.
To say the least.
But either way, thanks for joining us. Another pack opening for Generation 4s. We'll see you next time.